So ayun, after ng long walk, you would see the Chepstead Chalet. Ito siya. Merong sign dito para hindi kayo malito. So, ayan siya. This way, yung Chepstead Chalet. So, ayan, andito na tayo mismo sa Chepstead Chalet. Medyo, hindi naman siya sa malayo, but you know, I mean, mataas kasi siya, so medyo nakakapagod talaga. And so, ayan, andun yung room namin sa taas, you would see later. So, ayan yung room. So this is our room. It's called Raha, and it has a breathtaking view. Actually, you could see. Hold on. Ayan yung view, diba? It's so nice. Talagang relaxing siya, nakakawala ng stress. So, ito na. This is the living room area. And ano na rin yung kitchen. Diba? It's so nice. Like you're living in a house or something like that. I think that's what the chalet mean. So, ano ito yung kitchen. Complete equipment. They have everything you need to cook your food. Dishes. Yeah, everything. Almost everything. And there's a refrigerator there. And then this is actually 2 rooms, so we locked this one since hindi naman siya magagamit. And this is the cabinets. Ayan, may mga sampayan and stuff. This is the restroom. It's pretty basic, you know, just like a regular house. Shower, toilet room. So this is the bedroom. Let's open the light. And it's actually pretty huge. I really liked it. So yeah, they have cabinets. They have this area to put your makeup or anything, skincare, whatever. They also have a small sofa. Yeah, I think it's very nice. I think they also have a Facebook page. You can search them there. If you want to book, they also have booking.com.